So you might be wondering, how do you start using Blush AI dating app here? Well, in order for you to start using the app, you first need to install the actual app. Now, the great thing about Blush AI dating app here is you can install this on most Android devices. Now, first things first, you want to open up Google Play Store and you want to basically search for Blush AI dating simulator. Let's go ahead and click on install. Now, you just need to wait for a while here. But before that, you need to understand what is Blush here. So Blush AI Dating Simulator is a dating simulator app, which in this case you can chat with, let's just say with AI and basically simulate dating. Now let's go and click on open here. Now there are different ways for you to start using the app. Now first things first, it will redirect you into the login page. Now let's just wait for a while here. Let's going to say we value your privacy. You could go and just choose essentials only or enhance my experience. For now, let's go and click on essential only. Now from here, you want to go and click on either login or get started. Now since we are a new user, let's go and click on get started. First, it's going to ask you what's your name. Let's go and answer this real quickly and hit on continue. Now from here, it's going to welcome you. Now how old are you? Go and answer that, click on continue. Now go and choose your identity. So let's go and choose male and click on continue. Now you can go and choose who you are interested in. For example, let's go and choose women and click on continue. Now let's go and choose your preferred language here. Let's go and choose English. Click on continue. Now it's going to say find your dream. You can go and click on continue here. Now it's going to ask you a bunch of questions. So go and just answer the questions here and basically give your preferences. Now once you've answered all the questions, it will start building your profile. Now from here, just go and click on continue. Now from here, you can go and just create your account either via Google, via your Apple account, or continue as guest. Go and choose the appropriate option for you. Now let's go and understand how the app actually works. Now there are five icons or 5 pages here that you can access inside the app. So you have feed, discover, create, chat, and profile. Now the feed here works like any other dating app out there. Now you can go and just swipe right here if you like them or swipe left if you don't. Like for example, maybe we want to skip this user or this specific AI here. Now if you like a specific AI, you can go and just swipe right. And if you want to discover like other AIs here, you can go and choose the in this case the search button. Now by the way, if it's a match, you can go and just click on chat now. And basically this will redirect you to the chat section, which you can say hey or hello. And basically start chatting with the AI itself. Now, by the way, you could go and turn on your notifications if you want to. And basically, it will start the conversation. Now, you can go and just interact with this AI like you would normally do. Now, let's go and go back. Now, if you want to search or discover something, you can go and click on discover. Now, if you want to basically discover different AIs here, like for example, what's popular right now, what's realistic, professional looking, or anime heroes, and a lot more. Now, if you choose chat, this is where you can see all the chats that you currently have right now. Now, if you click on profile, this is where your profile is going to be. Now, you can go and change a few things here, like your subscriptions if you want to manage that. Or you can go and restore your subscription or manage your notifications and even different resources here. And also if you want to edit your profile. Now, if you click on create here, this basically allows you to create your own character. Now, you can go and create your own AI photo as well for your character, or if you want to build your character from scratch here and basically create your own perfect AI companion, well, this is how you do it. But yeah, so that's how you start using the Blush AI dating app. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.